My Christmas holiday. This holiday I spent home in Finland because we are going to Caribbean on our sports holiday. I spent my Christmas with my relatives and my family and we had a lot of fun. We opened first some of our presents at home and then went to my mother's sister and opened the rest of them when Santa Claus came. It was almost midnight when we came back home. Next day me and my family went to my father's relatives. The 26th I was jogging 10 kilometers with my dad. It was nice because I haven't had time to go jogging for a long time. On my holiday I was also skating many times with my friends. I was in Turku Circus School 2 hours with some of my handball friends. That was fun too. I was with my best friend Leo on Silja Line on the 28th December. On the boat was also my mom and my sister and her friend. My cousin was with us and her friend too. There was good food on the boat. On the New Year I was to my handball friend Kaius and my whole family was invited there too. 8 o'clock we went outside and fired rockets. My holiday was relaxing and I spent a lot of time with my friends and relatives. This was fun because I usually don't have so much time with my other than my handball mates. Looking forward to the next holiday. Alexander.